Good morning, teacher. My name is Eva Maria Hernandez. Task 4. I'm going to have a break. I'm going on vacation to beach in Santa Marta. I'm visit and friends. I'm going to car heavy to good visit the museum. And would walk with my daughters to play Everett on the beach. And I am going to swim in the sea in the good bad 200. We have a delicious pizza with juice. Tomorrow we go and to see a beautiful sunrise. And like reading and going to read book. And then I'm going to the exercise with my shoulder. Thank you.